And welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Walmart beauty box. I forgot about this. I seen the charge about a week ago on my bank statement. But I guess, is this the spring box? I think it is. I think it is spring. They get me confused because like all the summer boxes are about to come out and they're always like behind. But this time it's like a different box. It's just got the Walmart symbol, and then on the side it's got like beauty, and it's just like totally different. And let's see, I guess you flip it up. Last time was different. We got a bag, which I never did use. I don't even know what I've done with it. It was just like a cheap little bag. I didn't like it because I have so many makeup bags that, because where I got Ipsy, you just get way too many. Okay. Wow. So this is by Salon Perfect Ready, Set, Go Brow Kit. Okay, let's open this. Normally you get like face mask, toothpaste, and deodorant. You get some beauty items, but so this is the first time I ever got anything like this. And it looks like it's got like everything for your brows in it, if I can get it out of the package. This it's like locked in. Okay, so I got one item out. So this is the Brow Defining Palette. It is 4 grams. Okay, so you got a little bitty mirror. Then you got like a highlight color. Then you got different colors for your brows. And it did come with this little bitty, if I don't lose it, brush. I mean, look how cute that is. I don't know, sometimes I like to use powders. But so we got that. And also there's 2 more items in here. Okay. So then we got another brush. It's got the spoolie, then the, which I don't know, that's kind of, I like a good stiff brush when I'm doing my brows, which I just got my brows done. They look so much better than bushy. Okay, so we got one more thing, and it is a jumbo pencil. Okay. So this is the brow grooming pencil. Grooming. Okay, it's the wax to keep these babies in place. And it does, at this end, have a pencil sharpener. Okay. That's kind of different for Walmart beauty boxes. Walmart beauty boxes, they say they're free, but you pay $5 for shipping and handling, which ain't really a bad deal, since you normally get around 7, sometimes 10 products in it. Okay, so our next thing is by Hello, and it is the Anti-Plaque Plus Whitening, and it is in the natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. I get a lot of Hello toothpastes in my subscription boxes. Target does it. Walmart does it. Like, this is the biggest tube I ever got, which I do like some of the Hello toothpastes. The black one kind of freaked me out. Could not get my kids to use the black one. They just got totally freaked out and said no. It's like putting dirt or something in my mouth. I was like, not really. It's just charcoal. Okay. So it's just a white. It does smell good. And I like these for like when you're traveling. You just throw these. Or I don't know if you're out all day and you've ate and you need to brush your teeth. Okay, so here's a card about the Hello toothpaste. Okay, and the next thing is to enter to win a $100 gift card. Pearly Pretty is the theme. Okay, so here's another item. Okay, so it's by Palmer's, and it's the coconut oil formula, and it is coconut oil body oil. Okay, so we just get a little sample like this. Normally we get like bigger things in here. I mean, we did get the big brow kit and the toothpaste, but normally we get like more bottles and stuff. This don't really look like something we would normally get. Which I ain't checked to see if anybody else has got. Ooh. Okay, so it's just an oil. Oh, I love how Palmer's smell. Their coconut stuff is like, in my opinion, like the best stuff you can get if you're looking for that stuff. Okay, so I did get a lot of oil. I'm trying to wipe it everywhere. Okay, so Botanic Unique Dry Shampoo Scent Stick in Rose. It is a shampooing oh, that's in a different language. Okay, so it is a scalp stick. Okay, here's the package. So here's the back. I guess that's what it looks like. And it's supposed to be like dry shampoo. I about can't smell nothing because of the oil. Okay. I probably shouldn't open this because I don't need to use it right now. But it's just like a big Q-tip. Okay. But it does smell good. Which I like the smell of roses anyway. Okay. So our next thing is by Purely Inspired. And it is a collagen peptide. It is grass-fed and pasture-raised. With biotin. Let me see. It's gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, and keto certified. Okay, so it is a supplement. Grass-fed and pasture-raised. And it is, I guess, the collagen to help your skin. I'll figure that out later. Okay. So, then we got a mask. It's the Purifying Black Charcoal Mask. It hydrates and moisturizes. It's by So A, which I love a good face mask. I like charcoal. So, and I like anything that adds hydration to my face. It kind of feels like, feels different than most of them. It kind of feels like jelly. And right now where I've been out in the sun so much, I really need hydration. Okay, so our last thing we got is a bag. Now, it is better than last time. It's just like a canvas bag with Walmart. Ooh, my camera's not focusing. Okay, so just like got the Walmart thing. I mean, it's a pretty good bag, I guess. It's pretty big. You could get a lot of stuff in there. And I do like the colors. But that is it. That's everything we got in the box. It's not like a normal box. Normally we get like deluxe samples, and we get almost up to 10, anywhere from like 7, 8 to 10. Did miss that. I mean, we did get the big brow kit, which had 3 things in it. I don't know. This wasn't my favorite Walmart beauty box, but you get what you get. And that's the thing about boxes. You don't know what you're going to get. I'm going to watch some other videos because Walmart always has like different stuff in their boxes because they like run out of what they're originally doing. So I'm going to check out other videos to see what other people got. But if you want to sign up for this box, it is $5. Like I said, it was $5, and just type in Walmart beauty box, and it'll pull it up, and you can but you're not guaranteed to get everything in this box because they do put like different things in each box. Like last year, my sister got like a normal size of deodorant, and I didn't even get deodorant. And then she said she got a razor in one of her boxes. I didn't get no razors. Like, you never know, the boxes could be different. But I just wanted to show this so you guys get an idea of what Walmart beauty boxes are. And I hope you guys did like this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch my next video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.